This is a concrete house foundation, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it was built. We removed all the topsoil and vegetation from the area where we're going to pour the concrete. A base of sand and clay is then brought in and packed in really tight. This helps prevent the concrete from cracking when it settles. If you've ever been in a home and seen cracks in the walls, then you know something has shifted. Once it's all packed in, trenches are dug for the footers. Rebar is then added for additional strength. A thick layer of plastic is added to keep any moisture from coming up through the ground into the concrete. And as you can see, a lot more rebar is tied into everything so that it gives it all more strength to try to prevent cracking. The plumbers have also put their drain pipes in, and the electricians have put any conduit in that they might need. Watch this next video to see how we put in an aerobic septic system.